Hello everybody, today we're going to be vacuuming my rug with the Bissell Rewind SmartClean. So let's get it started now. Alright, here we go. You can see all the dirt flowing around in the dust cup there. So there you go. That is some wonderful Friday night vacuuming. Now, if you'd like to see what it picked up, you wind up this cord first. Alright, and inside the dirt cup, we'll take a look in here. You can see, every time we pick up dirt from my rug, there is always going to be fine dust. Not just a hairball, but there's also fine dust. You can see it right here, that's fine dust. Very thin particles, which looks like dirt, essentially, is fine dust. Of course, when you have large hairballs, that's, legit hair. You don't see it in your rug or carpet, but it's there. Your vacuum will tell you that. You don't see it in your rug or your carpet, but the vacuum pulls that out. So that's why when you vacuum your rug, it looks clean, but you run the vacuum over it and you see how much hair is in the dirt cup you didn't even see in your rug. So, vacuum cleaners have a lot more power than you think. And your rug can be a lot more dirtier than you think it is. When you look in that dirt cup and see how much this really picks up, that is confirmed. Fine dust. I vacuumed my rug this morning, and now I vacuum it again tonight, and more fine dust comes up. So that goes to show you, keep your rugs vacuumed. Too much dirt is not good for your health. Have a great day, and hopefully you enjoyed the video.